Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Open your project index, HTML, and add 2 preconnect tags to the head element. Preconnect fonts, gstatic, com, and fonts, googleepies, com to speed up DNS and TLS handshakes. Next, insert a single link tag to the Google Font style sheet for inter, it'll WGHT at 0, 400, 0, 700, so waits 400 and 700 load. Confirm the style sheet includes font display. Swap to avoid invisible text during load. Save the file and reload. Open Tailwind. Config JS and locate the theme. Extend section to add a custom font. Add font family. Inter set to inter, System UI, Apple System, Blink Mac System Font, Sego UI, Roboto, Sans Serif. Save the file and restart your dev server for Tailwind to regenerate utilities and classes. Then use the class FontInter in your HTML elements to apply the inter family and its fallbacks instantly. Verify the generated CSS contains FontInter mapping to the added font stack. Apply font classes in your templates using FontInter alongside Tailwind text and weight utilities. Use font bold when you need the 700 weight and normal for 400, so you load only required variants. Reduce network cost by requesting just 2 weights, for example 400 and 700, instead of many. For best performance, consider self-hosting fonts or a caching strategy if you require sub-100 ms first contentful paint. Finally, audit with browser DevTools to confirm only necessary font files download.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.